thanks for stopping by today. We decided it was finally time to take on the challenge of transforming our son's old room into a cozy guest bedroom. As you can see, that old dresser from the gym makeover made it to this room. Did I want to use mismatched furniture? Nope. But in this economy, we intend to make it work. So come along with us as we give this old furniture new life and create a comfy and cozy space without breaking the bank. When getting a plan together, you already know I went straight to Pinterest, which is my favorite place for inspiration. Now, I kept in mind that I needed to tie whites and tans together, so those are the colors I typed into my search. Here are just a few ideas I saved. Once I was sure of what I wanted the room to look like, I pulled out my graph paper to sketch out the ideas. While I was at it, I made a list of what I would need for the room. I didn't need much, but I did write down art pieces, lamps, pillows, sheets, complimentary decor, and so on. Since I am on a tight budget for this project, I only made a few stops. Let's go. Now, when I made it to at home and saw some faux plants I liked, it surprised me. As you know, I am a huge advocate for real plants, but I know this room will be mainly occupied by guests, so I decided I would pick up a couple in this case. They also had a great selection of artwork. I love moody colors, naturals, browns. So I took my time looking through to see what I could find. I wanted something really simple, and this one caught my eye. I think it's going to fit the bill based on the color scheme. Alright, so your girl made it home with just a few finds. I really like these rings from Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, so I got two for the price of one, which is great for my budget. I also picked up these curtains from IKEA with some coordinating items. I like the print and colors of these, so we'll see how they work in the room. Now, my budget shopping just would not be complete if I did not check out Amazon. These lamps are the perfect size and style, so I think they're going to go great in the room. I also selected this pillow cover and insert. I like the eye-catching pattern and colors, so we'll play around with this decor for sure. Thankfully, we did not have to purge anything heavy from the room since we intended to reuse the old mismatched furniture. Now, I did wash all of the new linens, I dusted and brought in an old TV as part of my purging. The room stayed like this until we were ready to execute our plan the following weekend. It was now time to get busy. Pulling the room together is always my favorite part. Now, in addition to shopping at stores, I also shopped my home, and I brought in an old clock, some reeds, and other random decor I was not using just to see how it may look in the space. I always recommend bringing everything you think you may want to use because you can always play around with various items to see what you like best. I spent some time trying out decor in different areas until I found what would work. Now, I threw in this clip just so you could see my favorite feature on these lamps, which is the touch settings. I tell you, it's the little things. For the sake of sticking to my budget, I was determined to use some of the decor I've had tucked away for quite a while. These wall boxes have such a narrow opening, so I decided to tape the bottom of these reeds flat so they would fit nicely. The next day, we started by hanging the curtains. Now, if you have not checked out the curtain section at IKEA, I would highly recommend it. The quality is spot on and their sizes run long. We hung our curtains high, which helped to create an elongated look to the different sized windows. You see we have one that's really narrow on the left and one that's really wide on the right in comparison. I must admit, I was already smiling ear to ear. Look at how these mirrors tie in with the curtains based on pattern. Simplicity is always best in my book, so we added a single print over the TV along with those reeds to take advantage of the wall height. I added the other faux plant to the side of the room as well, which was a nice touch. This room is really coming along. I like how simple yet tied together it looks so far. Notice I put a chair out to hide the TV cords. I hate seeing cords, and this was my best solution for the time being. We are just about done with this transformation. I just need to finish making the bed and tidy up a bit. I can't express enough how the pattern of this throw pillow makes me smile. It ties in with the triangular mirrors and curtains. See, little touches like this help make the space look cohesive. Well, that's a wrap on another makeover. Let's take a quick peek back at the before. Now let's check out the after. I really like this transformation. We made all of the mismatched pieces work nicely in this space. It feels great to be able to pull this room together on a tight budget and reuse old furniture that was still in good condition. We took our time with this project and was able to execute it in just one weekend. I'm telling you, you just cannot go wrong when you follow the method of plan, purge, and execute. The space feels so nice and comfy, and it is visually attractive as well. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please check out my other videos and make sure you catch me next time.